Our topic is AM and PM. This is the sunrise time, daytime, light time, and it's in AM. 7 AM in the morning. This is 2 PM. The sun is out, shining bright. It's also a daytime. The sun is setting now, dawn time. And it's a 7 PM. Bedtime story. I'm fast asleep. And it's 2 AM. This is a night time. So we saw that AM and PM can both be day and night.